In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the mother's dua, the thirst of a worm. The son went from hell to heaven. A guardian of Allah saw in a dream that a young man was being punished in the grave. When the guardian of Allah asked that there is no one behind you in the world. It was my mother. She got busy with her time after getting married for the second time and she doesn't know or remember anything about me. So the poor man asked this young man about his mother's Hawaliya where she lives. When they reached the palace, the woman had gone with her husband across the 7 seas for bath. I have a message for him to hear that your son is suffering from severe punishment and misses you. He has made an offering, he will be forgiven. Wali Allah, the righteous servant of Allah, will be troubled by this thought. What did he do that his prayer will be accepted? He is sitting on the throne in heaven and the crown is decorated on his head. When the young man was asked how this happened, the young man said that when my mother threw a bucket full of water, there was a thirsty worm there. And the water went into the worm's mouth and the worm prayed to Allah Almighty to change his circumstances and forgive his son. One drop of that sun went to heaven, so never forget your family members who have left this world, because by saying one Subhanallah, their life in the grave passes by a person. If you like our video, Sheikh Al-Musabat also keep praying for the saints that they will continue to tell us the inner story like this and we will continue to deliver videos to you in English and in other languages. Give so that the new video continues to reach you. God bless the mother, son and heaven.